Good morning, students. We are going to see chemical properties of nitric acid. Chemical properties. And the important chemical properties what we are going to see will be the oxidizing properties. Oxidizing properties. As we know, nitric acid, whether it is dilute or compound, is a very strong oxidizing agent. And the reason for nitric acid being a powerful oxidizing agent is due to its decomposition and to produce nascent oxygen. So let us see how nitric acid decomposes on absorbing heat. When we take combed nitric acid, then it decomposes to give nitrogen dioxide along with water and nascent oxygen. On the other hand, when we take dilute nitric acid, it will decompose to give nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide along with water and nascent oxygen. So it is clear that because nitric acid, whether it is compound or dilute, on decomposition gives out nascent oxygen, so it is a powerful oxidizing agent. Because this oxygen so formed will be given to other substance to oxidize it. And here we are going to see the oxidizing properties of nitric acid when it reacts with sulfur, carbon and metal like copper. Let us see the reactions one by one. Number one is when nitric acid reacts with carbon. We know carbon is a non-metal. So carbon when reacts with nitric acid, with combed nitric acid, you can use this part of these products where nitric acid decomposes to give. Here also this nitric acid when reacts with carbon will first give out these two, which will be NO2 and plus H2. And this nascent oxygen so formed will now combine with this carbon to form carbon dioxide, CO2. We can balance it with the number 4, 4 and 2. Now we can see the reaction with sulfur. With sulfur. Nitric acid can also react with sulfur in the same manner to give. Again, you can see the two products will be common where it can give NO2 and H2O. So far this nascent oxygen is concerned, it will combine with this sulfur to form sulfur trioxide, which will dissolve in water to give the final product as sulfuric acid. So this time we do not write sulfur trioxide, instead we will write sulfuric acid, H2SO4. And then we can balance it with this number. So these are the two non-metals where you can see being oxidized due to the oxidizing properties shown by combed nitric acid. Let us now see how can nitric acid oxidize metal like copper. With copper. First is when copper reacts with combed nitric acid, HNO3. It is conc. In this case, as I said, the product will be common, that is H2O and NO2 will be there. Again, this copper will react with this oxygen to form copper oxide, which will finally react with nitric acid to form salt and water, and the salt will be copper nitrate. So we can balance it with this number. So you can see here the product will be a salt this time along with reddish brown gas nitrogen dioxide. We can also show the reaction of dilute nitric acid with copper. So this time we will get copper plus HNO3, which is a dilute nitric acid. And you can see with dilute nitric acid the products are nitrogen monoxide and water. So we will write nitrogen monoxide and water first. So far this oxygen is concerned, it will combine with this copper to form first copper oxide, which will again react with nitric acid to form copper nitrate. So copper nitrate will be there. And then you can balance it with this number. So this is how the balancing is done. And this oxidizing property shown by nitric acid is very important, you have to learn it. There are other properties also shown by nitric acid, like its reaction with base to form salt and water, with carbonates to give carbon dioxide gas along with salt and water, and with sulfide and hydrogen sulfide it will produce sulfur dioxide gas along with salt and water. So these all reactions are very common reactions, you have already done several times. This is a new reaction for you, which is an oxidizing properties, a very important reaction. Thank you.